Let's walk through how to sign up for OneSignal and provide access to other users. First, what you're going to want to do is go to onesignal.com and then click Get Started Now. It's going to take you to this sign up page where we can enter our details to sign up. And then go ahead and click Sign Up with Email. Now, for our use case for MobiLoud, you can go ahead and just click the free version. That's going to be enough to get started. So click Get Started Now. At this point, we'll receive an email from OneSignal to finish our setup. So I'm going to check my email and be right back. Now, after receiving that OneSignal email to confirm your account, you're going to get taken to this page. It's going to ask you some questions that you're going to want to fill out. I've gone ahead and already done that. And from there, I can just click Continue. Next is some information about your organization. So I'm going to fill that out now. Then we have the industry, company size, and then we can click Continue. As a final step, it's going to ask you the name of your app. So I'll go ahead and enter that now, and then click Create. Perfect. So we've just set up our OneSignal account. As a final step, you're going to want to provide access to other users. To do that, you can go ahead and just close this pop-up for now. And then from here, go ahead and click the drop-down on the left sidebar. Click Invite to Team Members. Add the email address of the user you'd like to invite. And then select their privilege and click Invite.